Lord, thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you for our teachers, family, and friends.
I hope with the brief speeches you will be inspired to do just the same. Bear witness to your Lasallian education by living out the Lasallian attributes and being proud of your Lasallian heritage.
I am privileged to introduce to you our distinguished Board of Judges. Ms. Erica Jules Prietos. Ms. Lormi Rio. Cecil Halandoni. Mrs. Virgie Lorilla. Brother Arian Ron Lopez.
100 years of Lasallian presence in the Philippines. John Baptist de La Salle, an educator and patron saint of teachers, started it all. St. John discerned God's call. St. John discerned God's call by devoting his life teaching poor and abandoned children.
The experiences I have had will run through the four walls of this school forever. And so, just to show you how proud I am to be a Lasallian, one song goes, if I were to live my whole life again, I'd still want to be a Lasallista pa rin. Bayaran man ako, I will still say to you, I'd rather be green than be blue. Animo.
De La Salle, the spark, the spirit, the change that transpires. I may not be the light, yet let me be the spark. Little did we know that this spark would be the beginning of it all. The arising of a new generation, rich in the elements of Religio, Moros, and Cultura.
100 years of excellence. 100 years of forming leaders, shaping minds, and emboldening talents. This is LaSalle. We are LaSalle. Ever since the first Lasallian brothers came here in the Philippines,
the 100 years of Lasallian presence in the Philippines greatly reminds us Lasallians to look back and to see the change that Lasallian education has brought to every individual of this society who has accepted St. John Baptist de La Salle's forming values to be a part of their lives. And now, the time has come for us to prepare for a celebration of oneness and love.
De La Salle University, Manila. De La Salle, Santiago Zubel. And University, St. La Salle, Bacolod. Just a few of the many 17 districts that joined hands last Friday as they sung with clenched fists.
Today I am here to reaffirm the greatness of our institution, De La Salle Philippines. Not because our institution has become great, but because it has remained great. And for how long? 100 years. In fact, our institution has remained so great for so long that we have come to inherit much more than just the prize of 100 years.
De La Salle in the Philippines was put up around 1911. Around 1911, the De La Salle Christian brothers from Europe and the United States left their campus as they established De La Salle in the heart of the Philippines. De La Salle will turn to 100 years old in due time. We should be proud that we are part of the community.
You, me, all of us, we are Lasallians. We have been here for like what? 2, 5, 10, or even 11 years. Well, let me tell you, 11 years has been more than enough for me to feel blessed and to embrace the Lasallian spirit.
Zeal without faith has no substance, and faith without zeal has no meaning. From our very own St. John Baptist de La Salle, who created three values which have withstood the test of time, of faith, service, and community. Faith, so that we must trust in God.
Yeah, baby, you frustrate me. I know you're mine, oh mine, oh mine.
Live alone with just me, 'cause the world revolves
second runner-up. Contestant number 10. For first runner-up, contestant number 7. Contestant number 8.